Hey, did you try out Python 3.14? If not, you should definitely try out. It's their latest version and they released some cool features in it. The first feature which I really liked is syntax highlighting. Your REPL has colors now. What do you mean by that? Let me show you by example. So this is Python 3.13 terminal. This is Python 3.14, which is their latest version. I'll paste one function and you will notice how syntax is highlighted in both these terminals. So as you can see, it's just a plain text. It's not highlighted. And the same if I do in the Python 3.14 version, it's highlighted, which is really cool. And the next feature which I really liked is better errors. Error messages are way better and they also suggest you some suggestions as well. So let me give you one example. If you write import datetime, and as you can see, I typed wrong spelling of the import and it tells you that it's an invalid syntax. Basically it gives you generic error message. But if you do the same in new version, it gives you meaningful suggestions as well, that did you mean import, which is really cool. And the third feature is auto completion. As you can see, if you type date and press tab, you get auto completion. If you type import base, you get auto completion. So for all the default libraries, you get auto completion out of the box. But you didn't had those in the earlier version. As you can see, if I type import date and press tab, you don't get auto completion. So this is really cool in the new version of the Python 3.14. The next feature which I liked is try except without parenthesis. What do you mean by that? Let me paste one example. So in this example, you can see I have two examples. This one is try except, and here I have parenthesis for the error messages or error exceptions. But in the new version, you can exclude those parentheses. So in the older version, you will get error if you don't write parentheses, but in the new version, you don't get any error. And you can basically, exclude those parentheses. You don't need to write them, which is really cool. And there's one more feature which I really liked is finally block warning. What do you mean by that? Let me paste one function. So here, as you can see, in the finally block, I'm not catching that exception or doing anything with that exception. I'm just returning normal text. So it's a bad function and it's not good for debugging purposes. But the same if you do in the new version, you see it gives you a warning that you return something in the final block. So all these are very cool features which I really liked. And they also released something cool, which is T-strings. I'm not gonna explain more about that in this video. I'll create a separate video on that. So yeah, that's Python 3.14 for you. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates. Peace.